Welcome to Stockholm, Sweden. Let's explore this beautiful city and stroll through some of its iconic landmarks as we walk from the ferry terminal to Stockholm Central Station.
Our adventure begins right here at the ferry terminal, a perfect spot to take in the fresh Baltic air and the stunning views of Stockholm's archipelago.
Many visitors arrive by the Viking or Silja ferry from Helsinki, Finland, so it's a perfect starting point. The Guide Champ team also took the overnight ferry from Helsinki, Finland, to arrive early morning in Stockholm, and actually took this walk. So, put on your walking shoes and let's go.
On stepping out of the ferry, there is a very useful map of Stockholm. Stockholm is referred to as the capital of Scandinavia.
On zooming in, we can trace our walking trail on the map. We start at the Viking ferry terminal, then stop by the Fotografiska, the Royal Palace, the Nobel Museum to finally end at Stockholm Central Station.
A very short walk gets us to the light brown building at the end of the road. That's our first stop, Fotografiska, a global meeting spot for photography with ever-changing exhibitions and photography courses.
Fotografiska has a nice souvenir shop and an award-winning restaurant. The cafe on the top floor provides one of the best panoramic views of Stockholm.
We next head into the heart of Stockholm, specifically the captivating Gamla Stan, or Old Town, just a short walk from a ferry terminal and Fotografiska. Enjoy the beautiful scenes across the waters.
Gamla Stan is steeped in history. Every corner here tells a story.
This area is truly one of the best in Stockholm. Pay attention to the picturesque architecture here, it is so unique. The charming cobblestone streets and colorful buildings have seen centuries of stories unfold. We're going to navigate through the narrow winding streets, soak in the atmosphere, and make our way towards some truly spectacular sights. Keep an eye out for Martin Trotzig's Grand, Stockholm's narrowest alleyway. This is where you truly discover the magic of this old town by wandering off the main paths. You'll find unique boutiques, cozy cafes, and charming courtyards tucked away.
The prominent church tower you now see is that of the Storkyrkan, or the Stockholm Cathedral, also known as the Church of St. Nicholas. It is nestled between the Royal Palace and the main square Stortorget. Stortorget is famous for its vibrant buildings, and also for the unfortunate Stockholm bloodbath that took place in 1520. It's now a bustling square full of cafes, shops, and historical charm.
Next, we head to the Kungliga slottet, or the Royal Palace, the official residence of the Swedish monarch and one of the largest palaces in Europe. The Royal Palace is open to the public, and you can explore the royal state apartments, the treasury, the fascinating royal armory, and delve into the history of the Swedish monarchy. The impressive Baroque building is a must-see. Also, if you are lucky, you can witness the changing of the guard ceremony. Be sure to check the schedule, as it doesn't happen every day.
Right next to the Royal Palace in Slottsbacken, you can admire Charles XIV John's bronze equestrian statue.
Just a short walk from the Palace off Stortorget is the truly inspiring Nobel Prize Museum, a celebration of the Nobel laureates, their groundbreaking achievements, and incredible contributions to humanity in the areas of science, economics, literature, and peace.
As you stroll through Gamla Stan, browse the charming shops and grab a fika at one of the cozy cafes. Fika is a Swedish custom to relax over a break with coffee, cake, or other light snacks.
If you have the time, then rather than go to Stockholm Central Station, make a stop at the nearby magnificent Stockholm City Hall or Stadshuset, where the Nobel Prize banquet is held every year at the Blue Hall, even though it's red, and the Golden Hall adorned with stunning mosaics. You can also climb the tower here for breathtaking panoramic views of Stockholm. Finally, let's head towards Stockholm Central Station. It's a pleasant walk from Gamla Stan, mostly along the waterfront. Enjoy the views as we walk.
We are at Stockholm Central Station. This is the largest railway station in Sweden, connecting Stockholm to destinations all over the country and beyond. It's a bustling hub of activity and a perfect place to end our city stroll. From here, you can easily reach just about anywhere in Sweden, and of course the airport. Now, if you're heading to Arlanda Airport, then a quick and convenient way is to get there by train. The Arlanda Express is a high-speed train that will directly whisk you to the airport in just 20 minutes. You can purchase tickets online or at the ticket machines here at the station.
And that's a wrap on our Stockholm City leisurely stroll. If you enjoyed watching this video, you know what to do.
Make some travel plans and take a break from the busy, stressful life of present times. GuideChamp hopes this video has given you some inspiration and helpful tips. Tusen tack, as the Swedish would say, which means 1,000 thanks.
We've made this video based on GuideChamp's actual travel journey. This video is not sponsored in any form, and no payments were received from any entity featured in the video. Thank you for watching GuideChamp. See you soon.